Do you want me to take it?
I got it this time. Hey everyone, this is Jeffrey, the train expert here. That train we just saw that Ollie put up was Norfolk Southern 309. Cause my apologies about my camera, and Ollie put it up for us, and I didn't even see it. We're still looking for a CSX because we already got 2 trains and 2 NS, including 1 at a BNSF power trailing. Train should be coming. I can hear the rumble. Hopefully, if there have been 3 Norfolk Southerns in a row, this is not going to be happening. I have 3 Norfolk Southerns in a row and not one, and not a CSX. Will this train be 3 Norfolk Southerns in a row? Come on, I heard a rumble. Yeah. I heard a rumble. It's probably going to be another NS. Is there another NS again? Don't tell me there's going to be 3 Norfolk Southerns coming in here. Up here they come. Please be a CSX. Well, what do we got over here? We got a CSX coming finally.
Triple engine, 1 local.
Oh, actually it's an SD40, maybe the SD60 unit trailing. And it's another manifest. Hit nothing but manifest trains so far today. Between the 2 NS and the CSX. And this train is a slow motion. There's a lot of Proctor tankers on these trains. It's probably gonna be a garbage train, so we might gonna see a Wide World of Trains car. This is gonna be CSX Q634. Oh, I didn't glare, because... Yeah, this is a CSX garbage train mixed in with a manifest. I I didn't get them in time last time here because nope, no wide world of trains car today. Huh? Symbol on this is CSX Q634 with a GP, or excuse me, with an SD40-2 trailing. Maybe the SD60 trailing. Alright, we're gonna get off and we'll be back on with the next train. Oh. I was trying to make sure if I heard another horn. I want to make sure if I hear another horn before I get off of this. Yep. Big manifest. Yeah, big train, another train video from Jeffrey the Train Expert on you know where. Bah. Yeah, I wasn't sure there's going to be a wide world of trains car on there, but good thing I went. What? Good thing we went to this station instead of this park. Yeah, there's 3 engines. There's 2 GE units and an SD40 or SD60 unit trailing. Alright, we're going to get off and we'll be back on with the next train. Talk to you later. Oh. I don't know what that was, but we'll be back on with the next train. Oops. Sorry about the spat. Sorry about the spat. On the camera. Alright, we'll be back on with the next train. Talk to you later.